Experiencing a missing Trust This Computer prompt when connecting your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max via USB C to a computer? You're not alone. This is a common issue, especially in the months following the iPhone 17's launch. The prompt is a security feature that needs your approval to allow data transfer. The root causes often involve cable problems, port issues, software bugs, or device pairing conflicts. Start by checking if your USB-C cable supports data transfer, not just charging. Also, check for any dust or debris in the iPhone's USB-C port, as this can disrupt electrical contacts. Other causes include software bugs or device pairing conflicts. And remember, the iPhone 17 Pro Max's Thunderbolt support requires Thunderbolt-certified cables for full functionality. Begin with basic troubleshooting. Use a certified USB-C cable such as USB 4 or Thunderbolt certified. Clean the iPhone's USB-C port with compressed air to remove dust or debris. Reset your iPhone's trust settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset. Reset location and privacy. If the problem persists, ensure your iPhone's iOS is up to date. Apple released iOS 18.3 to address this issue. As a last resort, try connecting to a different computer to rule out computer-specific problems.